Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and today, as you can see here, I've got leftover Chipotle mashed potatoes, and I'm going to show you what to do with those today. So let's get started. Alright, so here we go. I got a pan with oil heated up. You're going to take your favorite corn tortilla. I've got a yellow corn here. It's a thin one, but you can get various kinds, and you're going to take a little bit of your leftover Chipotle mashed potatoes, and you're going to put it on the inside here. About a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half, spread it out, and then you're going to just fold it over like so. You're going to put it in your pan, and you're going to fry it on either side for about a minute or so until it's crispy and golden brown. I've got a wire cooling rack over here that sits up off of the table top here, stove top, and then so the air can circulate underneath and it'll be nice and crispy on either side. So let's give these a minute on either side and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, I've had this one going here, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a flip. See how nice and crispy and brown it is already. Like I said, we'll give that a rest on the other side, and then we'll transfer it to our wire rack and let it cool, because they are hot. But I'm going to use the rest of my Chipotle mashed potatoes, and I'm going to make a few of my tacos Dorados con Chipotle. Okay, so that's been going, so that's good. Go ahead and remove this. And you can see how nice and golden brown that is. I'm going to go ahead and let this one rest over here. We'll go ahead and get another one going. I'll show you another one. Corn tortilla, papas con chipotle, chipotle mashed potatoes, tablespoon and a half spread. These are already creamy, so when they get heated up, they almost like melt in there, almost like a potato cheese with no cheese. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give this one a flip. Golden brown. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. Let it cool. And I'll keep that going here. Okay, but as I go along, what I'm going to show you is after they cool, I'm going to plate them up here. But something like that, and I've got some salsa to go with them. But you can have guacamole, sour cream, cheese on the inside. But you can use anything you like, but there it is. Tacos Dorados con papas and chipotle. Or tacos, hard tacos with chipotle mashed potato. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.